Hi, Kara Sheftel with BDS, and today we are lucky enough to have in the studio a device that needs its toner changed. So let me show you today how to load toner into a Kyocera. What's really interesting about Kyocera devices is that typically these doors are locked, which means once the toner is loaded, it stays locked so that you don't prematurely switch out the toner. I had a technician put in a service code today to show you these doors open, and now we're gonna load in fresh toner. So what I wanna show you is that this cavity has a circle here, but then it also has a rectangle up here. Right here, there is a casing with little ridges, and that's what's going to slide in. So we're just gonna push it in. You're gonna feel some resistance. It's important to push to break the seal, and then you can close that toner door and it stays. So we've done the color toners, but I want to show you something unique about Kyocera black toners. When you have the black clip up, this is how you would put it in as a toner. When you remove your empty black toner, this can then become the waste toner bottle, which is like a vacuum cleaner bag. It collects all of the little bits of toner and paper little shreds that go through your machine and collects in here. When you do that as a waste toner bottle, you want the gray clip up when you're gonna put that in. So right now, this is full. We're gonna use it as a toner, and we're going to stick it right in, push through, and now we've loaded toner on our Kyocera. For all things print, you can reach us at bdsdoc.com, or you can follow this channel.